Okay, we are ready to begin the process of uploading our supporting documentation into the Smartsheets online certification submission form. And you'll notice that it's asking for you to combine your certificates or your supporting documentation into one file per section, meaning you'll have at least 6, 7, 8 maybe different files that you can upload. And the reason we have it like that is because this particular form and upload process has a file quantity limitation, not necessarily a file size limitation, meaning we are limited to 10 documents that we can upload at one time per form submission. And obviously with any of the basic, the intermediate, the advanced, or if you're looking at doing your master level, just the core independent study classes alone, there are more than 10 of those. So if you were to drag and drop all of those into the upload portion, it would give you an error message. That's why we have to combine files. So here's how we're going to do that. All right, so you've got all the files you want to combine. And of course, if you're doing your independent study, the easiest thing to do is to just simply upload this FEMA independent study transcript that you can download at any time for free from the FEMA EMI independent study website via the student portal. Instructions on that are on the website. But let's say you need to upload a bunch of certificates. Let's say you're doing this for the optional section, or you've got a bunch of stuff for your disaster credit or any of your supporting documentation for the master's level, those the different required sections, the 7 of the 13 that you've got to do. The easiest thing to do is to select the certificate, one of the certificates at the top, and then hold down the shift button and go all the way to the last one that you want to combine, and select that one, and it will select all of the certificates in between the first and the last. You can also simply hold down the control button on your keyboard and select the certificates that you want that way. But regardless of how you do it, once you have those selected, you're going to right click and you're going to look at the different options. And what you're looking for is the option to combine your files into one PDF file. We don't want you to use the compressed to zip file because that requires additional work on the reviewers, and they have enough to do as is, so we don't want you to do that. So you're looking for combined, and depending on what operating system you're using, whether it's Windows 10 or 11, for Windows 10, you typically will see that option right here. Windows 11, you have to hit this show more options down here. And then this is what you would typically see in Windows 10. And that's the one we're looking for right there. Combine files in Acrobat. So once you click that, Adobe will open up and you'll see those files that you had selected. So we're going to just simply select each one of those in the same fashion we did just a second ago. And you're going to hit combine. And it will combine all of those certificates into one document, which is exactly what we're looking for you to upload into the certification online submission form. And from there, just simply do the file save or hit the save button, save the file as the for the section that you're wanting to upload. Just make sure it mimics what is requested in the instructions. And once it's saved, then you can drag and drop it in, and you're good to go.